To use Venmo buyer protection, start by understanding what it is. Venmo buyer protection is a program designed to help protect you from unauthorized transactions and scams when using the Venmo app to make purchases from authorized merchants. First, ensure you are using the Venmo app to make a purchase from an authorized merchant. This protection does not apply to personal transactions, such as sending money to friends or family. When making a purchase, select Venmo as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Venmo app to complete the transaction. Once you have completed the purchase, you will receive a confirmation from Venmo. If you do not receive the item you purchased, or if the item is not as described, you may be eligible for a refund under Venmo buyer protection. To initiate a claim, go to the Venmo app and navigate to the transaction in question. Click on the transaction to view the details. Then click on the Help option to report an issue. Select the reason for the issue, such as the item was not received, and follow the prompts to submit your claim. Venmo will then review your claim and may request additional information, such as a receipt or a photo of the item. It is essential to respond promptly to any requests from Venmo to ensure your claim is processed quickly. If your claim is approved, you will receive a refund to your original payment method. It is crucial to note that Venmo buyer protection only applies to transactions made through authorized merchants and does not cover cash or in-person transactions. To avoid any issues, always make sure to use the Venmo app to make purchases from authorized merchants and keep records of your transactions, including receipts and photos of items by following these steps and best practices. You can help protect yourself from unauthorized transactions and scams when using Venmo to make purchases.